We're here today doing a video of 4607 Rolling Meadows Lane, located in the Pebble Creek subdivision just outside of downtown Watkinsville. Currently on the market with 5Market Realty, listed by Nan Peterson. Her contact information can be found in the video. We do these walkthrough videos to give people a realistic idea what the property looks like, the entire property through. If you have interest in this property or any others, be sure to click subscribe. But today we're taking a look at 4607, which was built in 2018 by SR Homes. Giving you a little bit of the streetscape here. Pebble Creek has a swimming pool. It's a very popular neighborhood just outside of downtown Watkinsville. This has great shopping and restaurants now. This property is listed with Nan Peterson, 5mrealty.com. As you enter the house, you will see a large two-story foyer. Dining room immediately to your right. Small glance at the half bath. Give you a little sight line through from the staircase looking through to the back porch. This is where we enter the property, the front door. So we come into the dining room. She's located in the front with a bright window. Plenty of space for a good table. Covered ceiling. The owner suite is located downstairs, and we'll come back to that before we head upstairs. Right now we'll focus on the main living area. As you can see, these large windows overlooking the backyard. Another glance to the front door. 4 bedrooms, just over 3,000 square feet. Owner suite downstairs. Built by SR Homes, very popular floor plan. We won't take a look at the garage just for time's sake, but you do have a little area of storage as you enter from the 2-car garage. One thing you're going to see is this has 2 laundry spaces, one down and one upstairs, which is convenient for a family with children. Large kitchen that's open in the living area. Granite countertops. Double oven. And there's a glance into the pantry. Another sight line through to see how the island sits here. Large sink. Note the range, which would be an upgrade for this neighborhood. Another sitting area. There's been a nice upgrade here with this back porch overlooking fenced backyard. Another glance back through here. See the large ceiling fans. Nice landscaping that's been installed. Trees on the side growing. We'll come get a look at the owner suite downstairs and then end the video upstairs with the extra bedrooms. This is the only bedroom on the main floor, making it very private. Large window overlooking the backyard. As you can see, the space is quite large, giving you an idea of the entire space. This home also has tremendous closets for each bedroom, particularly the owner suite, which is downstairs. As you look to the left, you can see the dual vanities. As you look to the right, you can see the garden tub, large walk-in shower. Linen closet and the water closet will be to the left. Give you a glance here at this very large closet. Front window. Coming back through another look the owner's bathroom. And we'll end the video upstairs. See, we're back at the front entrance. Half bath is immediately to your right. Top of the stairs, you do have a 2-story foyer. The door to your left is access to the air conditioning system and a little bit of storage. Bedroom number 2, first one upstairs, right in the center of the home. Closet, the Jack and Jill bath. I'll give you a look at the Jack and Jill from this angle. As you can see, passing through to the other bedroom. Bedroom number 3, 2 windows. Sightline through to another large closet. Look at the closet space for this bedroom. The 4th bedroom is currently set up for an office. Overlooks the backyard. This bathroom in particular has its own private bath. Also quite spacious for a secondary bedroom. As we head to the right, you'll see one of the nice features of this home. Availability to have a second laundry room upstairs if needed for the new owner. And then looking down over the main living area. 4607 Rolling Meadows Lane, listed by 5Market Realty, Nan Peterson. Visit our website, 5mrealty.com. Or contact Nan with her information inside the video. 4607 Rolling Meadows Lane.